Good morning, Miss Wilson. How are you feeling this morning?
Good morning, Daisy. I am feeling great this morning.
I see it's like a few days after the surgery, your neck surgery.
Yes, my surgery was on the 1st of July, and they went in. Not sure how long the surgery process was, but I went in with a lot of pain, which I was seeing you guys beforehand. I came out of surgery, and Dr. Brusovanik came to see me to release me on the next day, because I only spent overnight in the hospital. I could make a fist.
Oh my God, I see. He did two levels, disc replacement, C5, C6, and C6, C7.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad you're doing that well.
He says they fitted in there like a glove. Since when he says he knew what he was, well, of course he knows what he's doing, but he says when he went in, he couldn't believe how well he says it looked like they were made to go in your neck. Says they just fitted straight in there.
I remember the terrible pain you had when you came in.
Daisy, I couldn't have took any more pain. I couldn't.
How is your motion on the neck? Can you move the neck?
Yeah, I could move my neck. I could
Oh
move my
my
neck.
God. What about the pain down the arms are gone?
This is going down. I don't know. Only I could never be a junkie. I could never be a junkie. I would be a poor junkie, But I have bad veins. But other than this, hurt me more than this. This has never hurt. This has never been in no pain.
Oh my God.
I have not been in no pain whatsoever.
That's amazing.
And to have the ability back of my hand.
I'm so happy to see you doing that well, and we will see you for follow-up. And I
Yes.
see you going also for surgery for your lower back.
Yes, Dr. Davis is going to put another shot in my back, my lower back, just to help me out till I can get back, because due to COVID, they've done elective surgeries again. So
Okay.
hopefully it'll buy me a little bit more time till I can come back and do my lower back.
I see. Well, I'm gonna start working on your lower back surgery.
Yes, I can tell you, I love him.
Thank you. We'll see.
Daisy, you guys are the best. You have been. I don't know what he would do without you.
Thank you for saying.
Yes, you can't tell him we cannot. You can't get rid of Daisy.
Thank you for saying that. Thank you. You make my day.
Yes.
And we will see you for follow-up.
Thank you, Daisy. You guys are awesome.